Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change variant picker color on Shopify. Now you can change this to any color you want, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this very quick and easy. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, okay? That's the first step. Okay, so next thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on online store here, as you can see in the left here, online store, and after that you want to click on these three little dots next to customize, and you want to click on edit code. Okay, so next thing you want to do, guys, as you can see by default the color is black, as you can see. Now probably you're using like a specific color and you want also the like variant color to display the same color, you know, the variant picker color. You want it to have like, so that you can match your theme or something like that. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this in a few seconds. Now like I said, you want to click here and you want to search for a file. It's called theme, okay, theme that liquid, okay. Don't worry, this is like not some complicated thing or anything like that. It will just have in the description a very short code. Just go to the description of this video and click on the link, and it will take you guys to this page. I just need to copy this short code, okay. Just copy it, and you want to go to like I said, theme.liquid, okay. This is how you type it, theme.liquid. Search for it. If you cannot see here theme.liquid, just search for any file that ends in .liquid. That's going to be the file you need to click on, okay. So after you click on theme.liquid, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, okay, the very bottom, and make a space, as you can see, and paste that code here. And you want to click, as you can see now, by default the color is black. Now you want to click on save. As you going to see, the color is going to change to green because I have changed it to green. Now if you want to change it to any color, just go to Google, search for the color code. For example, I would say yellow, for example, yellow color code. You just need to copy the number, which is like FFFF00, and you want to go back and you want to replace this color code with the new one, okay. Make sure you don't make any mistake in the code, okay, and then paste it. And after you paste it, you want to click on save, and it's going to change to the new color, which is yellow, okay. As you can see, if you want a very specific color, just search for color code picker, and you can then choose exactly the color that you want, okay. I'm going to click on this one, and you can then choose the color exactly how you want it to be, okay. You can choose the color, as you can see. You can choose one of these colors here, okay. If you don't want this, you can use other websites, HTML color picker, which is like the best one, and you can get the color that you want exactly, okay. As you can see, each color has a code next to it, as you can see. If I want to change it, for example, let's say that I want to change to like this blue color, this is the code, okay. This is the code. You just need to go again, like I said, and as you can see, you can change it to any color you want. As you can see, I'm going to change it right now. I'm going to change this to blue color. I'm going to click on save. As you can see, it's yellow, but it will be blue right now, as you can see. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you have any questions, go to the comments below and tell me your questions. I reply to everyone. Like I said, drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.